Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM Uranus B550 PRO mini PC. So friend, MINISFORUM has announced release of its latest device, the B550 PRO, an upgraded version of the B550 model. The mini PC can be transformed into a full-size gaming desktop when connected to SFX power supply and discrete graphics card, offering user a versatile and powerful computing experience powered by the AMD B550 chipset and supporting Ryzen 5000 series CPU and APU. The B550 Pro is capable of handling daily office tasks and large-scale gaming. And its standout feature is its versatility with a PCIe 3.0x16 slot, allowing direct connection of desktop discrete graphics card through the PCIe 3.0x16 interface on the chassis and PCIe 3.0x16 slot on the included expansion dock, and the device also includes a PCIe 3.0x4 slot which is added into the docking station, enabling the addition of an SSD or network card expansion card. And it is equipped with a variety of peripheral interfaces including one USB Type-C, 7 USB Type-A, one HDMI port, one DP port, and one Gigabit Ethernet port, and one headset microphone jack. And the interface easily meets the user's various needs for peripherals, providing a better overall experience. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.